HIV antibody test or other kinds of rapid test always write IgG and IgM. So what do IgG and IgM mean? Let's take one rapid test as one example. This one is monkeypox virus test. Write IgG and IgM. IgG and IgM. IgM is immunoglobulin M in the serum. IgG is the immunoglobulin G in the serum. IgM is the macromolecular antibody in the serum, which is the earliest antibody produced after antigen stimulation. Elevated IgG indicates a past infection of the disease. The body produces and persists immunity. So you have known what's the meaning of IgG and IgM, right?